Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to show you what gaps we filled in for our HBA Prepper Pantry. I did pick up some new blankets as well because a lot of our blankets are worn, okay? They're old. We've had them since we moved into our house 16 years ago, and they were clearancing out some of the winter blankets, okay, at the store. So I got some good blankets, and I will be the blankets that we have that are worn out and stuff like that. I'm still going to be keeping them because I'll be putting those in with our stockpile and with our preps, for just in case to keep. But I did get these. These are really nice. And they're like that nice fuzzy. You know what I mean? They're that nice fuzzy. So I got 2 of those. And then I got, these are the nice fuzzy ones as well. So, okay. These are nice. And then for our HBA, because we're stocked up about, I would say, 6 months in our HBA Prepper Pantry, but I wanted to get us to at least, 2 more months, 3 more months worth of stockpile in that pantry. So I did just that. I got 2 of the bigger bottles of shampoo, conditioner. I got 3 of the body wash, and then I got 4 things of deodorant, 2 for Sean, 2 for me. We have a good amount of deodorant, but I picked up 4 more for just in case. And then 4 tubes of toothpaste, 6-pack of body soap, bar soap, really. And then I picked this up. I want to try this. Let me know if any of you have tried this before. Only because my back kills me literally on a daily basis, as well as my knees, and I figured this would be good, this little roll-on here. I'll take it out of the box. It's 2.5 ounces. It was $7. Really? You're not going to open now? There it is. There's no smell. So that's good. No mess applicator, numbs pain away. Because I figured it would be easy application, for me to put it on my lower back, because that is my weakness right there, is my lower back. But that's because of a car accident that I was in like 10 years ago. It was really bad. And then shower curtain. I had to replace my shower curtain in the master bathroom. 2 things of Tums, the chewable Tums. And then I got 3 more boxes. These were on sale for $9.65, and they're originally $15. So, me with my elderberry. So I got 3 boxes. So we are good, stocked up now. I want to say 9 months for our HBA. So we're getting there, because I want our HBA to be up as to par, like with our working prepper pantry, our regular prepper pantry, even our cleaning supply prepper pantry, that type of thing. Everything that you stockpile, and that you prep for and that you categorize in your house, that is a separate prepper pantry, regardless of how you see it. You know, I see it this way, you know, and it helps me be more organized. You know, like if I, you know, say to Sean, hey, Sean, you know, can you go get the Lysol spray? And he'll say, is that in the cleaning supply prepper pantry, or is it in the regular prepper pantry where we have the extras? I'll say, no, it's in the cleaning supply prepper pantry, which is underneath the kitchen sink. You see what I mean? We have everything organized and everything is where it's supposed to be. So, you know, I just wish I had more room, you know, so, and I don't want to put things out in my garage. I mean, then I could make it climate controlled, but then I would have to put the air conditioner on out there, you know, especially in the summer, and I don't want to do that. I really don't. I don't want my bill to go up, my electric bill. So, you know, this is, you know, I'm just trying to get everything up to our goal of 1 year. And I think I'm doing that. I think I'm succeeding. I really do. But anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on our HBA prepper pantry, what blankets we bought that were on sale so we can replenish, and, you know, because of our other blankets that are worn out and stuff like that. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. And I'll see you next year. I shouldn't have said that. It's so stupid. Because then the next video you'll see is New Year, New Me. New Year, New Me. No, not from this one. You won't. I love you. I'll see you later. And then, yeah, stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping, stay warm. Bye.